bestonlinemerch.com. Gran Canaria, the jewel of the Canary Islands, is calling your name. And if you're anything like me, you want to make the most of every sun-soaked moment. So let's dive into the ultimate travel hacks that will transform your vacation into an unforgettable experience in 2024. First off, let's talk about packing. You might think you can just throw a few swimsuits and flip-flops into your suitcase, but let me tell you, a little planning goes a long way. Start with a versatile travel backpack. Trust me, it's a game changer. You want something that can carry your essentials while leaving your hands free to sip that delicious mojito or snap a photo of the stunning dunes at Maspalomas. Now, let's not forget about the essentials. A portable charger is a must. You'll be taking pictures of the breathtaking landscapes, the vibrant markets, and of course, those sunset selfies. The last thing you want is for your phone to die while you're trying to capture the moment. And speaking of capturing moments, invest in a good waterproof phone case. You'll want to take it with you to the beach, the pool, and even on those adventurous hikes. Gran Canaria is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, and you don't want to miss out on documenting your adventures just because you're worried about splashes or spills. When you arrive, the first thing you'll notice is the warmth of the sun and the welcoming spirit of the locals. But before you hit the beach, make sure to grab a local SIM card. It's a small investment that will save you a fortune on roaming charges. Plus, having access to maps and local recommendations will help you navigate the island like a pro. You'll want to find those hidden gems, the local eateries where the paella is made with love and the tapas are served with a smile. Now, let's talk about transportation. Gran Canaria is a beautiful island, but it's also quite spread out. Renting a car is one of the best decisions you can make. It gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Picture this, you're driving along the coast, the wind in your hair, the ocean sparkling under the sun, and you stumble upon a secluded beach that's not in any guidebook. That's the magic of having your own wheels. Just remember to pack a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated during your adventures. The last thing you want is to be parched while you're exploring the stunning cliffs of Roque Nublo. And let's not overlook the importance of sunscreen. I know it seems obvious, but trust me, you don't want to be that person who ends up looking like a lobster after the first day. A high SPF sunscreen is essential, and don't forget to reapply, especially after swimming. You'll want to enjoy every moment of your vacation without the sting of sunburn ruining your fun. As you settle into the island's rhythm, make sure to embrace the local culture. Attend a traditional fiesta if you can. The vibrant colors, the music, the dancing, it's an experience you won't want to miss. And while you're at it, try to learn a few phrases in Spanish. The locals appreciate the effort, and it can lead to some delightful conversations. Lastly, don't forget to leave room in your itinerary for spontaneity. Some of the best memories come from unplanned adventures. Whether it's a last-minute hike, a sunset picnic, or a chance encounter with fellow travelers, those moments will be the ones you cherish the most. So, as you prepare for your ultimate Gran Canaria getaway in 2024, remember these travel hacks. With the right essentials, a spirit of adventure, and an open heart, you're bound to have the perfect vacation. Embrace the island, soak in the sun, and let the magic of Gran Canaria sweep you off your feet. Like and subscribe.